only been like a couple minutes and this water is already kind of filled. Glad it's happening, but I'm also kind of grossed out. So, hi, hello, welcome back. Or you guys should say welcome back to me because I've been gone. But what's up, Lock fams? Bree back again with another video. Finally recording my lock detox for you guys. Like I've been saying it, I'm doing that in my locks. They've been like stressing me out because I do have a lot of buildup in my locks. Okay, sorry if I look kind of crusty because I just woke up and I could not. I was like, if I do not do this now, I will never do it. So here I am. I'm sitting on the floor. Don't judge me, okay? You see the way the light is hitting. You gotta get it where you get it. Alright? So basically, I don't know, you can do this with me. Yeah, tutorial, I guess. Tutorial style, not vlog style. I'm gonna be using apple cider vinegar, some baking soda, and some lemon juice from a lemon that's been sitting in my fridge for like weeks, maybe. I don't know. They take a long time to go bad, though, don't they? We're gonna see when I cut it open. If it's all dry and crusty, I will not put it in my hair. But then I'm going to go in probably with like a shampoo. I'm just gonna use what? Oh, sorry, it freaking cut off because I've had no storage on my phone, which is like my ultimate struggle. I just had to delete every video I've ever loved for you guys. So thank you, which is the main reason why I haven't been recording so much aside from my laziness and all the stuff I have going on. So, but yeah, I'm just gonna put shampoo in it. Some people like to throw rose oil, all that. I don't have none of that stuff. So I'm just gonna not ramble because who knows, like my phone might decide to never let me record a video again soon. So let's just get right into it. Alright, so step one, I'm just gonna fill up this bin with some very warm water. I'm gonna just leave that right there, let it do its thing. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is put 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. That's about 3/4 cup, I don't know. I got this organic, unfiltered, raw. I don't really care. I'm not ever gonna drink this stuff. I know people say it's good for you. I'm never drinking this. I don't care if you say it'll take me to the moon. That is nasty. It's nasty. And then I'm gonna use 1/4 cup of baking soda. I got baking soda. 1/4 cup of that. Oh, you can't even see it. 1/4 cup of this, and then I'm gonna put it all together and let it do the thing. This is like almost ready, so yeah, let go. All right, so using my expert math skills, I put, well, you can't tell because it's powdery, but I put half of 1/2 of a cup because I know that's 1/4 because I'm an expert mathematician. Period. And I'm just gonna pour that in there. Oh shit! That's like witch's potion right there. And then I'm gonna get my lemon. All right, I got my lemon. I see. I told you it's a little bit crusty, but it's still a juicy though. Oh. Anyways, and this is a teaspoon, so whatever that means, I'm gonna just put this in there, squeeze it, and then I don't know if I'm. Well, there's like still a lot of baking soda in there, so I'm just gonna scoop. And like, yeah, get that out my glass, and like this is kind of gonna stir it up a little bit, I guess. Yeah. Let's just start charging for this because I feel like I really know what I'm doing. Something about this time around. Oh, damn, splashing and stuff. All right, and then I'm just gonna dunk my head in this, I guess, and hold it for I don't know how long. All right, so I just read that it was gonna take like 20 to 30 minutes. So, and I was not gonna bend my head over that counter that long. So I just put it on the floor. I'm just gonna put my head there. I got my iPad. I'm just gonna be straight chilling for 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to get in there like as much as I can. Alright, that's like, oh, it's sizzling. It's like, when I say this shit really smelled bad, it's like probably the worst. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely some worst. Anyways, I'm gonna watch some Netflix. This does not feel great on the neck, by the way. Like, my neck definitely does not feel good. I forgot to time it, and my neck hurts. So make sure you put a timer on. Don't be like, yo, it's only been like a couple minutes and this water is already kind of filled. Um, Glad it's happening, but I'm also kind of grossed out. So crazy, crazy. I think I want to get more towards the root in a little bit, but I don't know, man. I think it's mostly the ends. From when I first locked my hair, I was just putting anything in there. Like I was putting any product I could find just to get it to look the way I wanted to look. Now I don't use any, so I might not have to do this for a while, but I recommend everybody do it at least once within their first like 2 years of being locked. I don't know, cause this is pretty crazy. All right, I'll be back soon. Okay, I've decided to be done. I like spent the last 5 minutes kind of dunking and massaging my head and hand washing it, and I was literally squeezing out like old product. Like it felt like shampoo stuck in my lock. It is crazy. Or like old locking gel, probably. I'm so glad I started using my mom's stuff because I was using Jamaican mango and lime, even though I was hearing like people rant and rave about how terrible it is. And I just did not care. I was like, this is like making my hair. And Talia with Jeed, whatever, however you say that, I was using that too, but I stopped. And I don't see any buildup like going up towards the roots, only towards the end, which is why I'm thinking that's why it all came from when I started my locks. But sorry for my quality is less good too. I started using my front camera because it's easier. But wait till you see this water. It is kind of repulsive. I'm gonna show you. Don't think less of me. Bruh, just nasty. And I wash my hair every week at least. Just nasty. Washing your hair is not enough. This is your sign. Washing your hair is not enough. You gotta get deep in that bit. Like, bruh, it was like kind of see through before. Sorry, I know you can't. You're probably on a computer or something. I don't even know. But nasty. So, and even after that, I smell my hair. Doesn't really smell like vinegar at all, which is pretty wild to me. But I'm just still gonna go and like wash my hair. I don't think I'm really gonna retwist it or anything, and that is it. So I would say it's a successful detox because my locks are looking pretty fresh and renewed. They feel softer. They do, but we'll wait. We'll wait till I watch the whole thing. I'm gonna go. So the ending of my video was like lost forever. It would never load off of my phone. But all I was saying was that the detox was a success. It was amazing. My hair felt so much more lightweight than it was before, which said a big difference. I actually ended up doing it again, like a couple weeks later. It's been a long time since I recorded that. Couple weeks. I ended up doing it again. I know you're supposed to space it out, but I did still have a little bit of buildup left in my hair, so I wanted to just run it back one time, and it was amazing. I definitely recommend it. If you have a lot of buildup though, I would say go to a professional. But if it's just a little bit, or you just really haven't done one, and you'll be surprised what comes out of there, because I didn't even think my hair was that dirty for real, but if you think about it, it's really hard to get deep inside those locks. So I definitely recommend everybody do it at least a couple times in their lock journey. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more.